Hi everybody. Oh, the coffee's a little hot. Coffee with you guys. Really looking forward to this today. Flipping for profit. I've really enjoyed doing this, especially the input from so many of you with messages and calls and questions. And this is what it's all about, is everybody learning from each other. And one of the key areas of flipping for profit is knowing what not to do, knowing what your own limitations are. If you do ignore these, you ignore them at your peril. So, the TV shows make it look great, people make it look easy, it looks fun, everybody's well dressed, sexy, it looks like a lovely business to be in. In reality, it's not. In reality, it is like any other business. There's highs, there's lows. You need to consider the key elements. And in this business, like any business, it's the planning, it's the money, it's the time, it's the effort. All of these must be brought in to your consideration in understanding why we lose our money when we flip properties, and what makes it a higher chance and the risk higher if you do not adhere to some of the business rules. In flipping for profit, i.e. buying low, selling high, buying low, renovating, selling high, in this you need to know your own limitations. You need to be careful of the nature of the human beast is to overestimate. We overestimate ourselves, we overestimate our skills, we overestimate our knowledge, and we underestimate time, project costs, and unforeseens. So unless you do your planning correctly, these will come back and bite you and you will lose your money. If you are nervous, then consider going back to what I keep saying over and over. Get close to a team, create a team, use your team. This team is there to help you create and reach your goals. And that team is your accountant, your banker, your bond originator, your lawyer, your estate agent, your project manager or contractor, to name but a few. Stay close to these people, use them to help you, employ them to help you. Happy investing, happy flipping.